One day in, we get the heavy hand of Joe Biden. And the townspeople all go to the town and start burning it. In Portland, got the ICE building protecting whatever. There wasn't even a protest. There was no signs. There was nothing that they were against. They were just mad, angry, and yelling. Um, and while that was going on, got all the elites getting finished up, putting their orders down on the peasants, and letting the night drift off into fireworks and Katy Perry. Uh, it's getting pretty wild, and it's the first day. But got coronavirus. Everybody's freaked out. We got everything's supposed to be in shambles, yet a party for all the elites and Katy Perry singing firework. While all the peasants riot in the streets. Or not riot, but protest. Jobless claims 900,000 people don't have jobs. Somewhat like 60% of small business in New York from the other protests the other night, what they were saying. Or no, I think that's DC. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below, like the video, share, subscribe, and we'll get through this. Hope you guys all have a good day. If I don't see you later on tonight, hope you have a good day tomorrow. Peace.